The only stock to get my strong buy rating so far is none other than Telos or TLS. Their shares are trading at $358 and they are up around 47% this past year. Zooming out on the chart, we can see that this stock had fallen massively in late 2021 and it remains low to this day. So is this a good buying opportunity? Well, for my December 2025 price projection, they're expected to have earnings of $165 million, which is $230 a share, and their current price to sales is 1.75, but the average tech sector price to sales is around 4 times that right now. So I will use 2.5, and if we multiply their revenue per share of $230 by 2.5, then that would give us a share price of $575, which is a 61% upside, and that is pretty conservative, especially given that 2.5 price to sales. It looks like other analysts are pretty bullish as well, with the average one-year analyst price forecast being $517, which is about 44% higher than where it trades today, with a high estimate of $8 and a low of $350. In terms of fundamentals, Telos has beat all 4 of their last earnings calls, and with a shareholder equity of $154 million and a total debt of $11, that makes their debt to equity around 7%, and with $93 million in cash on hand, that makes their fundamentals really solid. They do not offer a dividend, and it looks like their revenue has stagnated, but their net income is improving quarter over quarter, and they are slowly starting to have their estimates raised over time. Overall, you can't really go wrong with the fundamentals of this stock, and it's really nice to see the net income improve quarter over quarter. The revenue does need to do better, but this has been factored into the current share price as it has dropped because analysts were downgrading this stock up until the last year, and now it looks like that sentiment has finally started to invert as Telos continues to beat their earnings estimates, and I wouldn't be surprised if in the near future analysts started to upgrade the heck out of this stock and really raise estimates. And when you combine that with a low valuation and robust fundamentals, this creates a rare opportunity where it has all 3 elements that I personally look for in a stock. It has the low valuation, strong fundamentals, and promising revenue and net income growth, and TLS has all 3 perfectly aligned. That creates that nice triangle, and so for this reason, I think they are primed to see some great gains, and of course, this looks really good at this price point to get in at a 1.75 price to sales, so for this reason, I rate Telos a strong buy, my first and only strong buy since I introduced this rating system to the channel. And that is all I have for you today on TLS stock. Please drop a like, let me know what you think of it in the comments, and I will see you next video.